Pampanga Court issues arrest warrant versus Cassie Ong and Harry Roque and others. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net na bayaran ng bilyar. Diba? A court has issued a warrant of arrest against Cassandra Ong and former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque among several others amid their alleged involvement in the operations of an illegal Philippine offshore gaming operator or POGO in Pampanga. So ang tagal na lang issue ng POGO dito at ngayon, ang korte na mismo ng Pampanga ang naghain ng arrest warrant laban sa mga ito. Diyos ko naman. Sana naman ay bumalik sila, di ba? Kasi yung isa nasa parang gusto pang samahan yung isang nakulong, di ba? Based on the copy of the order from Angeles City Regional Trial Court Branch 118 obtained by Inquirer.net, Presiding Judge Rene Reyes issued the warrant against Ong and Roque for violation of Section 4.1 in relation to Section 6C of Republic Act No. 9208 or the Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2003. So yun yung naging paglabag nila, yung sa anti-trafficking. Meanwhile, Ong and Roque's other co-accused were also charged with the same crime and were included in the arrest warrant. Di pa na sinasabi kung sino-sino yung mga kasama ni Cassie Ong at ano sa article na ito Pero malalaman natin, sana malaman natin, di ba? At ang sabi ng order na inilabas ng korte ng Angeles City, after careful evaluation, this court finds probable cause to hold all the aforenamed accused for trial for the offenses for which they are respectively charged pursuant to the provisions of Section 5A of Rule 112 of the Revised Rules on Criminal Procedure. It was in April when the Department of Justice or DOJ filed a qualified human trafficking case against Roque and his co-accused for their alleged involvement in the operations of a scam hub Lucky South 99 in Porac, Pampanga. The DOJ noted Roque's participation was not just limited to being a lawyer for Whirlwind Corporation, the company which leased land to Lucky South 99, but was also... Ay, ba't yun yung ano ko? Ito pala dapat, ito. But was also the representative of the POGO. Ayun. Siya po ay kasama. Siya ay united sa mga Chinese na worker. Diyos ko naman. Based on the information filed before the Pampanga court, DOJ prosecutor said more than 30 accused conspired and confederated with accused Herminio Harry L. Roque Jr. as counsel of both corporations who had knowledge of or was willfully blind to the fact that the business of Lucky South 99 and Whirlwind Corporation is illegal and whose indispensable cooperation and participation in aggressively pursuing the renewal of the supposed IGL of Lucky South 99 led to the trafficking or exploitation of workers for financial gain. Meanwhile, in a statement, Roque tagged the issuance of the warrant as part of the unjust prosecution. Ayun na naman siya, yung pabibo niya sa Facebook. Which he said he will include in his application for asylum in the Netherlands. Ang tagal naman ng application ng asylum na yan. Nakabwiset. Sana ma-deny, di ba? Pabalikin na yan. Pabalikin na yan. At ang sabi ni Roque, I will seek all available legal remedies to secure my life. Wow! And liberty. Wow! Which are currently under threat. Wow! I reiterate, this is not fight as evidence of guilt. Hindi pala to laban ng ng pagiging guilty. Gusto ko naman. But the exercise of a human right to asylum. Gusto ko naman. Ano ba tong kagaguhan na to? Apart from Ong and Roque, the other accused are as follows. Ito na yung mga kasama sa arrest warrant. Duan Renwu, Ronelyn Baterna, Dennis Cunanan, Han Gao, Norman Macapagal, Stephanie Mascareñas, Michael Bryce Mascareñas, Rodrigo Bande, okay. Kala ko sino Rodrigo eh. Shang Tan, Jiang Gu, Zhang Ji, Lo Yambao, Jessie Ralios, Josefina Mascareñas, Heidi Corinne Uy, Nina Mayra Cervantes, Sam C, Juan Huyu, Raymond Galionco, Randel Galionco, Daniel Salcedo Jr., Chona Alejandre, Crispin Medina, kala ko Christine Medina, Renato Bautista, Warman Mariano, Chris Jude Flores, Alan Salvador, Marlon Function, parang Function, di ba? Georgia Luis Salvador, Mark Anthony Salvador, Mercedes, makabasa, Mercedes talaga. Leitan, as well as those with aliases Awen, Terie, Dawei, Abaw, Laubao, Jiling, Bruce, Xiaozu, Boss Bingo, Sir Benjamin, Ivan, Darius, June, Benedict, Mark, Yin Yang, and Cheche. Yon yung mga kasama sa arrest warrant na hinihain ng Pampanga Court. Ano po masasabi nyo sa pagkakaroon ng arrest warrant ni Harry Roque? Yun ang pinaka-importante. Comment down below.